subject matter of our SP resolution today, Your Honor, is also our profound congratulations and commendation to an outstanding civic leader, civil servant, and academician in the field of dentistry, who has been freely rendering dental services for more than 2 decades to our in-need communities in the province of La Union through the La Union Dental Association, where he long served as pioneer president, which civic organization has also been regularly extending full support to the various outreach medical programs of the provincial government of La Union from the time of Governor Oros up to the present administration. He had significantly contributed to the advancement of provision of quality dental services at the ITRMC in his capacity as Dentist 5 and head of the Dental Medicine Department of said institution. To maximize the institutional role of dentistry to socio-economic development, he further served as Professor 5 and Dean of the School of Dentistry of Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, where he nurtured the integrity, sagacity, and civic consciousness of future dental professionals. Having served as author and implementer of winning programs in 2021, 2023, and 2025, he became the 3 times awardee of the World Dental Federation Smile Grant. And due to his consistent innovation, leadership, and commitment in the field of dentistry and in providing free dental services to our in-need communities, in 2026, he likewise became the recipient of the Philippine Dental Association Kapitan Chencheng Dental Excellence Award. Due to his continuing free dental services and consistent innovation as academician, school administrator, program conceptualizer, and implementer, his services not only confined to the province of La Union, but even went beyond Region 1. Recently, he received the Distinguished Public Service Award by the ASET Philippines Association of Social Sciences Educators for Tradition and Treasures of the Philippines, having exemplified brilliance, notable competence, and wholehearted dedication as program implementer, educator, and implementer. This civic leader, civil servant, public servant, academician, and administrator was recognized by the Provincial or Philippine Professional Regulation Commission of the Philippines as the most outstanding dentist of the Philippines. It is therefore the great honor of this august body to respectfully pass a resolution expressing the profoundest congratulations of the Honorable Governor Mario C. Ortega, Honorable Vice Governor Eric Sibuma, and all the honorable members of this august body to Dr. Artemio Licos, further officially commending him for his regular full support and dedicated services to the various academic as well as outreach medical programs of the provincial government of La Union. All of us, Your Honor, are sincere authors of this meritorious resolution. Penultimately, Your Honor, my simple legislative concern today is fully consistent with the brilliant legislative proposal of Board Member Ram Ortega regarding the commendation of barangay officials who have completed 3 consecutive terms, either as barangay captain or barangay councilor. For it to be institutionalized as a permanent program of the provincial government of La Union, coincidentally, Board Member Fernando proposed that it should be passed as an ordinance. Considering, however, that in my capacity as the committee chairman on amendment, there is already an existing ordinance commending local government officials, specifically ordinance number 22-2022, and that amendatory ordinance jointly passed by Board Member Rillera in this representation, ordinance number 536-2026. I deem it practically consistent to just amend the existing ordinance to include not only provincial, city, municipal government officials, but also barangay officials, specifically barangay captain and barangay councilors, with Board Member Ram Ortega, Board Member Rillera, Board Member Fernando, this representation, and all the honorable board members of this august body, since we are recognizing our barangay officials who are our partners in program development. We are not necessarily elating the barangay officials as co-equal or to the level of outstanding or dedicated city and municipal officials, but considering the multitude tasks and comprehensively difficult responsibilities of barangay officials as enumerated under Section 17 of and Republic Act 7160, such as the provision of agricultural support services, nursery establishment, social welfare services such as daycare and health service, maintenance of barangay roads, multi-purpose pavement, sports facilities, solid waste management, the settlement of countless disputes under Katarungang Pambarangay, among others, including assistance in the implementation of municipal, city, provincial government programs, including national government programs. I firmly believe, Your Honor, that they also deserve due commendation, because the kind of progress and development in the barangays reflects the kind of development and progress we have in the city, in municipalities, and in the province of La Union. No city, municipality, or province could claim that it is progressive if the component barangays are not also progressive. And the persons behind the continuing development and progress of these component barangays are no other than our barangay officials. Hence, I fully support the proposal of Board Member Rillera, Board Member Fernando, and Board Member Ram Ortega as the Committee Chairman on Barangay Affairs, that we shall legislate measures to commend not only the provincial, city, and municipal government officials, but together with them, the barangay officials who have completed 3 consecutive terms, with a special award to those barangay officials or barangay captain or barangay councilor who have served for more than 30 years. As told to me personally and told to Board Member Rillera during the birthday celebration of Board Member Ram Ortega, Capitan Professor told us that he has been a barangay official for 45 years, but he had not yet received any recognition. So the proposal of BM Ortega, Board Member Fernando, Board Member Rillera, and all the members of this august body is very timely. They may be no financial incentive, but the act of recognizing or commending them for their long dedicated service for the promotion of welfare in their barangay is enough to afford to them fulfillment as a public servant. Hence, this representation respectfully beseech the approval on first reading the ordinance recognizing barangay officials who have completed 3 consecutive terms with a special award to those barangay officials who have rendered at least 30 years in public service in the respective barangay as amendment to Section 14 of SP Ordinance 22-2022 as amended further by SP Ordinance 536-2026. And all of us, Your Honor, as I emphasize, must be principal sponsors of this program because we are recognizing barangay officials, our fellow government officials, and our partner in public service. Thank you very much, Your Honor, and God bless all of us.